So what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna catch spike on my account. Okay, watch. Waiting for conditions to be met. This is crash 1000 index. Look, it's on the buy. I'm watching out for this. Checking the 15-minute time frame. Try to break through this level. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna place a set for crash 1000. I apologize for the sounds, guys. I really apologize for the sounds, but just bear with me. Okay, I just want to show you my trades for today. It's about to cross, but at this point it didn't cross. At this point it crossed. You can see. So it's better you wait for it to cross at this point. But because it's a downtrend, I feel like executing this trade right now. Yeah. So what I'll do now is to place a sell. Let me increase my lot to 0.5. Sold it. So what I'm risking, guys, it's 7 candles. 7 candles ahead of this. That's what I'm risking. So if it doesn't spike by this point, I'll close the trade. Check a boom. I just want to catch spike. Let's see how many catch spike I'll be able to catch. Okay. Check crash 500. Crash 500 is not on the condition, guys. I feel like it's gonna spike again because it made one spike and it gave us a black bar and okay, let's watch. Waiting for crash 1000. Okay, let me play around stepping this. Stepping this is on an uptrend. Look, boom, man. Guys, stepping this. I want to buy stepping this, guys. Watch the way I'll scalp stepping this. Watch the way I'll scalp stepping this. Watch the way I scalp stepping this, guys. Watch. That's stepping this, scalping stepping this right now, guys. As you can see, I'm on profit. Yeah, so any drawdown, you immediately take your profit. Scalping stepping this, guys. You can see, so I'm taking profit. You take profit. It's called scalping, so you don't keep it for long. You watch the market. When it's moving up, you leave it. So when it's about to come down, you take profit. Step in the scalping. Okay, I'm taking profit. I'm still holding one. Yeah, it broke through and it's still going. I'm still keeping it. So these are scalp stepping this, guys. Just scalp, make quick profit and leave the market. You can see from I just made for the day profit of $10 from the scalping I just did. So it's from $140, guys, as you saw on the account. Okay, let me show you my trades. Profit of $184. for today. $10 profits on the step index I just capped, but this is actually $15. Okay, but because I had some loss before. Okay, so that's it, guys. I just capped step index and I made some profit from it. So I'm gonna watch it again. When I get an opportunity, I'll start again. Before you know, that's it. We'll keep on moving. Okay, we're still waiting for our spike here. Oh, it made a baby spike, guys. It made a baby spike. Yeah, you can see it made a baby spike. So we are still waiting for it. So we just got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles right now. I told you 7 candles. I'm going to stop loss if it doesn't spike. I got no time to waste. So let me go look for opportunities on step index again. Step index. I like to scalp step index, guys. I love step index movement, so I actually enjoy scalping step index. Just scalp step index, take what you want to take, and leave the market. Take what you want to take, leave the market. Take what you want to take, leave the market. Step index scalping. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun. Okay. Just waiting for a good opportunity. Those step index will soon start it down. Will soon start drawing down because look, it's about to break through. Okay, it just broke through this point and it's likely to come back. So I just need to be very careful. I don't have to hold loss for long. Seeing the kind of candles it's showing me right now, it's a sign that a reversal will soon occur on step index. So I just need to be very careful scalping. Yeah, just need to be very careful scalping. You don't need to keep your loss for long. So let me check out V75. V75 is something I also scalp. Yeah, I also scalp V75. 50 minutes, they are all on uptrend. Checking the 1 hour, still on an uptrend, but V75 is supposed to sell. Looking at this 1 hour time frame, supposed to sell. 15 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna place a sell right now on V75. Yeah, I'm gonna place a sell on V75. Okay, as you can see, place the sell, another sell, another sell. You can see, guys, I'm scalping volatility 75 index. I think I'm gonna leave this for some time. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this for some time. Okay, it's against me for now, but I'm holding. Okay, 5-minute time frame. Yeah, guys, that's it. I'm holding it for now because the 15-minute time frame, it's gonna sell a bit. It's going against me, guys. It's going against me, but I'll take profit. Look, guys, we got the spike on crash. You can see perfect strategy for crash and boom. We got the spike. You can see that, guys. So I'm taking profit for crash. 1,000 profit taken. So I'm waiting for volatility 75. Just give me some profit and I'm off. Scalping. So mind you, you know your target loss. You know what you can risk on scalping, so you won't have to keep the loss. Don't keep loss for long when you are scalping, guys. I'm just showing you how I play around the market sometimes. Okay, man, it's going against us, guys. Really going against us. Going against my prediction. Okay, this would be my stop loss right now. So I'm waiting, guys. Let V75 give us some profit and then we off. Scalping. Let me check out crash 1000 whether it gave another spike. Whoa, guys, you can see it gave another spike just after the black. I didn't see this, guys. I didn't see the black graph, the black bar. I would have waited. So it gave another spike, but we missed that. Okay, so guys, so I think, yeah, so you can see scalping volatility 75 on profit. So I'm taking profit right now, guys. Taking my profit massive continuously, guys. See, so I'm keeping this last one and I've taken profit. So guys, this is how I just play around the market and make profit. So you saw the trades. I've turned the $140 account to the $160 account to $185. You can see the trades profit. You don't keep loss for too long. That's it. Just keep on practicing it. So for this trade, guys, this if you watch this candle is expected to sell down to this point. Yeah, it's expected to sell down to the point. Then maybe another will reach this point before it goes back up. That's volatility 75 index. Seeing the 1 hour time frame, it's about to form a downtrend. So these are, we scalp the market and make your rapid profit and you leave. When you're free, you come again, do some scalping, take some profits. So it's different kind of trading. You can be a swing trader whereby you keep your trade for days, or you can be a scalper. You just come to the market, scalp it with ease, fully knowing it's gonna obey your prediction. So that's how we do it, guys. You can see it's just I'm just showing you. And for the crash and boom strategy, you can see it works. It works. It crosses above. It crosses above. It spikes. It crosses above. It spikes. You can see that, guys. So for the crash and boom strategy, for those of you that don't know how to set these indicators, it's simple. Let me just show you on my screen. You can simply take a screenshot. We just need 4 indicators, which is the average directional movement index, the commodity China index, the moving average, and the market facilitation index. So these indicators, guys, it's all you need for this strategy. So for the average directional movement, the parameters are the period is 50. The star 2 pixel, use the color of your screen for the star. So my screen is white, so I'm using white. Then the positive DI, use green. The negative DI 2 pixel, use the color of your screen. Then you click done. The next indicator is the commodity China index, period 14, applied to typical price. You see that? Take a screenshot, guys, for let's be fast here. Okay, the star 2 pixel, use green. Then the levels -100 and +100. You click done. The next indicator, moving average, take a screenshot, guys. Period 10, shift 0 method, simple, apply to close. The star 4 pixel on you can use red. Then you click done. The last indicator, market facilitation index, the volume tick, line width 4 pixel, MFI up green, MFI volume down black, MFI up volume down black, and the MFI down volume up green. Take a screenshot, guys. Done. So that's all you need. The indicators, you can see, you see the market, obey it, and you make money. Look, crash and boom strategy. You wait for this red moving average to cross above this green line at the overbought level, then you get your spike. Simple as that. Look at this point. Each time it crosses above, you get spikes. It crosses above at this point. Look, it gave you this black bar. It means another spike. It means you should expect another spike. It cross above a spike, give you black bar, means expect another spike. Continues to spike, crosses above, spikes. You can see that, guys. Crosses above, spikes, crash and boom strategy. Crosses above, spikes. It works for both crash and boom. For boom, both crash 1000, boom 1000, crash 500, and boom 500. Look at this. It crosses. For this, you watch out below at the oversold level. For boom, it crosses below, it spike. It gave you a black bar, indicates another spike. Look, a spike again. You can see continuously crosses below, it spikes. Give you a black, indicates another spike. Give you a black, indicates another spike. Simple strategy, guys. Simple and powerful strategy. Crosses below, it spikes continuously, guys. We're expecting a spike at this point, but I'm waiting for it to cross below, so I'll take the trade. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it. Step in there. So right now I just showed you my crash and boom strategy and the way I scalp step index and volatility 75 index. So the scalping, guys, it's I feel it's based on practice. When you just get a perfect entry, you see some candle patterns that indicate either a reversal or a continuity in the trend, or after a little pullback, guys, you can execute your trade and make some profit and get off. You don't keep it long because you didn't analyze that market on a longer time. You just saw those candle patterns that indicate the whatever movement, and you quickly execute it, and then you quickly take profit from it. So scalping is something you need to practice on your demo account before you start using it on the real account. Yeah, exactly. You need to practice it on demo account and make sure you are good at it, and you don't keep loss on scalping. You don't keep loss, guys. You have a certain point. Once it execute that point, stop your loss, so you won't have to blow your account. That's it. Exactly, guys. Exactly. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck in your trading, good luck in everything. The link to our Telegram group is at the description below. You can click on that link, guys, and join our Telegram group. Of course, yes. So guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. So thank you, guys.